the business. And we looked at each other and we sort of said, well, we are.
My goal for today is to get as many people to read the action plan, realise there's resources there, spread the word, work together, grow their businesses and all make lots of money and become economically empowered.
There are 6 key themes to the action plan. The first is business support and advice, private and public sector procurement, coordination of information, data and research, international partnerships and international trade, business premises and business finance.
There are many women business leaders who prove that business doesn't have to be all about macho posturing.
My interest in today is a little twofold. Partly I'm very interested in methods of communication and what communication works with different audiences, how to get messages across.
And I'm here today at the invitation of Ms. Klein to present some of the insights on women entrepreneurs from what I have learned about women in the United States.
One of the things we're conscious of is that a lot of older people don't respond to mainstream business support provision, a lot of the time because it looks like it's for young people. So we're anxious to make sure that our message and our delivery is coming across to older women.
I'm here today to really say that we need more women in business. If we had as many women in business as they do in the US, we'd have over 700,000 more businesses in this country.
It's a gathering of women who are involved in enterprise, and we're very happy to have it here today.
Since 1997, the number of self-employed women has increased by 100,000, and 37% of the newly self-employed are women.
I started up this business with my sister Humera, who is also a director of the station. Myself and Humera are the majority owners of the business, which we started in earnest, we started it about 5 years ago with, like most businesses, an idea.
And yes, I was very proud on Saturday night to collect an award in Berlin for the European, the European Female Designer of the Year.
So I think we need to support our politicians and lobby a little bit to encourage better structure and better programs for us.
And this kind of lobby by women, then you are going to have a powerful impact on people who are representing you in Congress.
I also think another reason is that we are not afraid to fail. We get up and we're knocked down, we get up again, and we are knocked down again, and we just keep bumping around until we figure out something that works. And I'm not for the Olympics. I am concerned that women's contribution is not just around catering and hospitality, but should also be about construction, about the infrastructure, about those long-term businesses that they're going to be started there.
Yeah, my business is called Focusivity.
But we need to really focus on how then we can mobilise the experiences and the skills of women and the desire and drives of them to actually engage in business and everything that they want to create.
Just like the speakers today, at my heart got a passion for total equality.
People say to you, it'll take 3 to 4 years to do it, and yes, it has taken me that long, but had they had these things around, I'd have been doing it.
I work mainly from home, So it's good because I can't bring clients back home, so this is a safe environment for a woman to go and sell my products in a professional environment. So
we can come in and kind of jolly people up because our visuals are just fun, and we can be fun. And although what we do is very serious and there's a lot of money that goes into understanding what's happening at the cutting edge of innovation, there's no reason why the creative and inspirational aspect of what we do shouldn't come through as a really enjoyable part of people's jobs.
We have a very, very strong group of women within our business who are making a strong contribution.
And one of the things about successful business is about knowing the right people, being in the right place at the right time, and being able to press the buttons that can make things happen. And I think events like this are really, really valuable.